Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Noble, and you are at Noble Transformation Hub, world's number one AI YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not. We'll give you all the information about artificial intelligence and future skills. So you will get all the concepts and principles here. So let's go to this friendly AI. So we'll see how we'll understand all this. So political scientists Carl T. Rubini believes that AI can be neither designed or are guaranteed to be benevolent. He believed it that it cannot be benevolent. You cannot it cannot have feelings like humans have, all those emotions. He argued that any sufficiently advanced benevolence may be indistinguishable from malevolence. Okay, that is the malevolent and friendly eye. What he describes, where he argues that it cannot be. Should not assume machines or robots. Humans should not assume machines and robots would be favorably because they know a priori reason or believing that they would sympathize our systems or morality, such as evolved along with our particular biology, which AIs would not share. Like, see, as when we were like, it has taken billions of years when humans were evolved and all those emotions, and we have learned biologically a lot of things, emotions, and that is in our genes. Like, it cannot be installed in a robot or artificial intelligence, and then you cannot have that deep feeling. So that's what he argues, that it cannot be installed in artificial intelligence and robots. Hyper intelligent software may not necessarily decide to support the continued existence of humanity, and would be extremely difficult to stop. So this is like hyper intelligent software necessarily decides support continued existence of humanity, and it would extremely difficult to stop. We cannot stop it. He said that when, if hyper intelligent softwares are there, so risks, what he says, the topic has also recently begun to discuss in academic publication as a real source of risk to civilization, humans and planet Earth. So they're saying that one day it might, like, robots and these AI applications and algorithms might take over humanity and start caging humans. So first generally intelligent AI, one personal proposal to deal with this is to ensure that the first general intelligence AI is friendly AI. So it should be friendly AI. It should not be like based on all the um, controlling humans and all. So we'll be able to control subsequently develop AI. Some questions whether this kind of check could actually remain in place. Okay. Leading AI researchers, Ronnie Brooks wrote, I think it is mistake to be worrying about us developing malevolent AI anytime in the next few hundreds. He said that it is a mistake worrying about that in the future, in few hundred years, like it. He says that. It is a mistake. We are worrying about developing malevolent AI anytime in next. We might develop this kind of this machine. Okay, building senatorial violational intelligence. Think the worry stems from a fundamental error in not distinguishing the difference between the very real recent advance in particular aspect of AI, the enormity and complexity of building senatorial volitional intelligence. Like they're saying there is a complexity for senatorial volitional intelligence. Mm, so uh, like these are arguments by scientists and researchers. So these are also aspects of artificial intelligence. um, Land autonomous weapons are of concern. Also, there's a concern in certainly 15 plus countries are researching battlefield robots. Okay, that is also a concern. United States, China, Russia, United Kingdom, many people concerned about risk from super intelligent AI also wants to limit the use of artificial soldiers and drones. So that is also a concern. Okay, that is why we need ethics in place in machines. So thank you so much, guys. If you have not subscribed the YouTube channel, kindly go and subscribe the YouTube channel and write down in the comment section what have you learned, how you are going to implement, what is your vision, and stay connected so that you will get all the information about artificial intelligence and future skills, so that you are always updated and always skilled. So thank you so much. Let's meet in next section, which is regulations in AI.